Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. Let's start with the explanation because all we have to do is to actually enter the recents, but it depends how you can do it based on the navigation type you've got currently set. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon. I'm not really sure, but maybe 3 bars icon, whatever. Just find this button and tap on it. If you've got the gestures like me, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. After releasing, you can see that we've got the recent, so previously opened apps. If you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you do not really want to do it manually, simply tap on clear all. And as you can see, we've got this information. We can, of course, enter the recents to check. We've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.